This is tutorial number 73, and it covers the scale body feature within Catia V5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 73, which is located on the DVD. Now, in a prior tutorial, we used the scale sketch feature, and in this tutorial, we're going to be using the scale body, and they both work the same way, except this is going to be on a three-dimensional level compared to the 2D level that we did before. So this tool would be very useful when you're having to scale down an entire part, rather than going and scaling down or converting dimensions for each thing and creating the model all over again. All you have to do is select the entire model and you're able to scale it down. So say this is a 1:1 and you need a half size of the model. All you have to do is half size it and then you have half the size. So to start off, what I'm going to do is show you where the tool is and we'll start using it. So to find the tool, it's if you click Insert, Transformation Tools, Scaling. So let's click it. And what it's going to ask you for is a reference. So you're going to have to scale each plane of this part. So you're able to kind of scale, say, if we choose the XY, you'll see. So I'm going to choose the XY, and let's scale it, say, to 0.5 like I said. You can see that it's being pulled in along the XY. So let's pull it in 0.5 on the XY, click OK. And now let's do the same thing on the YZ and the ZX. So let's click Scaling, click the YZ, 0.5, click OK. And then do the same to the ZX, 0.5, click OK. And now we've transformed the entire part down 0.5 in all directions. So to do an entire body transform, you're going to have to do 3 like I did with the XY, the YZ, and the ZX. Now you can also use other reference planes that you have at different angles and dimensions, but using the 3, the XY, the YZ, and the ZX will allow you to dimension and scale the entire part. Now let's do one more and let's upscale everything. So let's click Insert, Tools, Transformation Features, Scaling, and let's choose the YZ and let's put it to 5. Click OK, and you can see how everything got scaled up 5 along the YZ. So let's keep doing it. Insert, Transformation, Scale. Let's do the XY at 5, and we'll do the same for the ZX. Click OK, and now we've upscaled the entire part by 5 from that original there. So this tool, like I said, it will save you time as it allows you to scale a part from the original state. So rather than going back and forth, changing the sketches and all the features and trying to calculate all the changes, all you have to do is click the scale and it'll do everything automatically. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the scale body feature within Catia V5.